And here is a variation of my oven-baked spicy chili recipe in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook that I think you will enjoy. It's a little bit different, not so spicy, but it has loads of flavor. I personally feel that the secret to a good chili is, of course, great ingredients, but also simmering, so that the great ingredients have a chance to really meld and make a really rich, intense flavor. Woo! For color and flavor, orange bell pepper. This is 3/4 of a cup. A can of beautiful red kidney beans. 3/4 of a cup of very finely chopped yellow onion. A pound of very lean ground sirloin. Here's the magic combo. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste mixed with 1/4 of a cup of dry white wine. Of the show, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of powdered garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Oh, this is powerful. I'm preheating my toaster oven to 350, and now everything gets mixed together very well. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of water and mixing again. And to my taste, I'm going to add another 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's me. I like salt. Mixing again. I just added another 1/3 of a cup of water. Usually I use tomato paste or tomato sauce, but in this case I use tomato paste, which has more body and not so much liquid. So I decided I want enough liquid in here to get that simmer going. So additional water. Cover the dish with foil. The toaster oven is up to temperature. Popping the chili into the toaster oven. I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. There was actually 50 minutes because I just gave it a taste at 30 minutes and I said, I just want a little more flavor out of this. And I got it. Spicy, yes. Onions are there, peppers are there. Flavor is beautiful. The oven-baked chili recipe and many other wonderful recipes are in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. Give it a try and, hey, have some chili.